Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how to use wet grinder for the beginners. This video is just for the beginners, okay? So this is brand new Prestige Ultima Pro wet grinder. This I purchased for 3500 rupees. Very good deal at this price. This with the extensions like attachments like this chapati kneader and the main grinding stones. Along with that you can also grate coconut. In this video we'll see the basic operation with this one. I'll be using this attachment and also this attachment, so just watch this video till the end. I just taken this lid here and this is the lock, right? We need to unscrew this. So as this video is for the beginners, how to use wet grinder for the beginners, the first thing you need to do is take out your user manual which is given with the product. You just need to read it once. Anyway, I'm going to tell few points here, but you need to read whichever the brand manual. So the first point here mentioned is never use this wet grinder for dry grinding use. Say for example you have masalas, so don't put in here and grind that. This is only intended for wet grinding. So there should be always water or the soaked items. That is what here mentioned here. I'll be showing you. See, please do not use this wet grinder for grinding needs. And there are many points mentioned. Never put your hand while it is in the operation. This is the operation button, right? Say for example, never, without keeping any food material to be grinded, never switch on this. Means you should not, sorry, just for you to show I made it like this. So never operate like this. Say for example, if you want to remove this, the first thing is just remove like straightly, okay? Keep it aside. And the drum also just move slightly and lift it. Even when you place this, place it properly so that the drum should sit at the bottom, and just check whether it is moving or not. So now it is fixed perfectly, right? Now whatever the attachment you have, if you want these grinding stones, you can put this grinding stones properly. See, this is the proper attachment. So see, this should be grounded, okay? I'll be removing this and place the extension whatever it is. In this video I'm going to use this for grating. Maybe if it is for your atta kneading, just place it. For this and also for the grinding rods, you need to lock this. Lock with the lock which you have, which has been provided with the box, okay? For this extension, it is separate. Just fix it. Make sure that it is not moving. Don't touch with your hands or fingers. Always hold it with this. And now switch on the power source and you can turn on the button. See, okay, the grating just happens with your hand pressure, okay? Don't over apply, but it is needed, just apply that force. So I'll be back once it is completely done, and I'll be using these rods so that I'll be showing the full operation of wet grinding. Meanwhile, you can just go through the user manual, because never clean while something, you always need to take this out for the cleaning purpose. That is also mentioned here. See here, don'ts are clearly given. Do not run the grinder without any load. Do not put your hands inside the drum. Do not allow children to operate the grinder. Do not leave the wet grinder unattended. So all these points you need to get to know. Okay, I'll be back once it is done. See here, this took exactly like 2 minutes, and when you're using this extension you should be very careful, because there may be chances like your finger may touch this. So always very caution. When you do this, you should be very careful while scraping this coconut. So once it is done here, the advantage is you can just simply take out, always touch it here. Okay, now in order to grind, so in the same video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this extension here. Okay, this is properly fit. Okay, this got grounded. Now you need to lock it. Why locking? This locking will tight these stones to the grinding base so that the food which is added here will be grounded into the paste or your required condition. Okay, so just screw it. Right. Okay, now switch on the power supply, and before grinding anything, you need to add the water. So you need to take water. Don't put all the item what you're going to grind at a time. Means that is what mentioned in the user manual. Don't overload it. You need to add step by step. Okay, I add a little bit water. And one more thing, you always need to close the lid before using, but just for the tutorial purpose, just for you to show. Initially I'm going to operate this, but anyway I'll be keeping this lid. So I'll also tell you how much time it has taken to complete to make the chutney or to make the idli batter. So this is how you need to use the basic operation, on and off button, and you need to keep it properly. You need to use enough or sufficient water, and then only you need to grind. So never clean the drum while it is on the wet grinder. Okay, never put your hands while it is in use, or even, yeah, see here it took like almost 8 to 10 minutes and everything was grounded perfectly, and the taste is also really good. And now you can unlock this lock. You need to clean this one also, lock also. Yeah, see here, easy to remove. And if there is anything food here, you need to collect and clean this. Okay, you can take out the drum. Okay, yeah, this was collected, and you can make it dry, not on the sun but in the indoors only. Okay, you can dry it. And this rods also. If you do have any other question, you can just ask in the comments.